What's up everybody, it's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this channel, just kindly do me a big favor by subscribing, like this video, and share it with friends and family. So guys, today I'm feeling so happy. Finally, baby is here. Baby is here. So guys, in today's video, before wasting more time, let's just dive into this video. So in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing with you guys. I will be unboxing GoPro Hero 13 Black with you guys. The latest GoPro right now. The latest GoPro, guys. Let's just dive into the video. I can't wait to do this with you guys. Yeah, guys, this is how the package looks. The GoPro package. Oh my goodness. So guys, let us just do the unboxing. I'm unzipping it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Creator edition must be updated before you can use it. I will do that later. I just want to show you guys. So this is how the GoPro camera looks. Oh my goodness. So this is a light. The light. Oh wow. I don't even know how to turn off this. Okay, guys, this is the GoPro light. This is what this is the battery, the GoPro battery. Oh my goodness. Let me even remove it from this. Okay. So this is the accessories it comes with. This is the charger. It is a USB-C charger. Let me place it here. I don't know much about this camera. I was doing a research about it. I don't know much about it, but as time goes on, I will know how to use it. So guys, let me show you the camera. Finally, this is the camera. Ooh, it is sealed. Wow. Guys, I'm even out of word. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. I will do that later. I just wanna oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Safla mbe filming nala. Oh my goodness, guys, I was talking to my uncle. I'm letting him know that I'm filming. Oh my goodness, finally this is the camera. Oh, before it turns on, I must put in the battery there. Wow, it is so small. This camera is so small, but it does the magic. So this is the Volta. It's called Volta. It is a kind of tripod. Guys, let me. So guys, wow. This is where I will mount the GoPro. This is the case it comes with. Guys, I don't know much about this camera. I'm just scattering everything around. This is for the mic. So guys, I just wanna do the unbox with you guys. Yeah, I just wanna show you guys. I don't even want this video to be long. It is not my usually videos. It doesn't look like, guys, I just don't want this video to be long. So the total cost of this camera the total cost of this camera is $545 $545, which is almost around $40,000. Yeah, $40,000. Yeah, so guys, I just want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who subscribe to this channel, who support me like privately, who sends me super chat and super thanks. Guys, I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. I really love you all. I really love you guys. You guys are the best. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Just stay tuned for more videos. I will never disappoint you guys. You guys already know I'm one of the most consistent YouTuber here in the Gambia. Yeah, I don't say I'm one of the most consistent YouTuber in the Gambia. So guys, let me just go back to my GoPro and then try to learn how to use it. Yeah, I will see you guys later. Stay tuned for perfect and clear images, videos. I'm out. Peace, love you all. Bye.